Why do affiliate marketers and bloggers struggle to get consistent website traffic? For many, it's not just about numbers. It's the frustration of pouring hours into content that goes unseen, or feeling like their hard work is just falling flat. The real problem? It's not what you think. It's not just about the budget. The truth is, many are stuck in a cycle of relying on paid ads, which can drain their wallets fast. And traditional SEO? It often takes months to see results. So what's the root cause? It's the lack of reliable traffic sources. Many beginners don't know where to look, and competition is fierce. This leaves them feeling lost, and their businesses struggling to grow. Common solutions? They often miss the mark. They focus on complex strategies that don't address the real issue. This can even make the problem worse. But there's a better way. Imagine creating a Google-based digital asset, adding relevant links, and exposing it to multiple traffic sources. This simple three-step process can help diversify traffic and reduce reliance on paid ads. Just look at Sarah, a small business owner. She used this method and saw a 300% increase in website visitors in just a few weeks. Implementing this solution means more leads, more sales, and a thriving online presence. It's about feeling confident, knowing your hard work is paying off. Click below to discover how we achieve consistent, targeted traffic with the Google Click hack.